Kanpai! Happy New Year, everyone! Cheers for long life! Nengari pumayam ay sunengari. So today is the last day of 2022. I wish you a happy New Year.
Hello mayam, anong chahina lakpada leisembi amasung lalhabana mayamda yaifapawjal pijari.
So today we will celebrate with the Japanese traditional food.
Today is the last day of 2022. Aduna koi ngasigi numitsidhi Japanese food oina chadore. Japanese singna kamaina like last day akoigi bye bye amasung New Year kamaina celebrate toge habado mayam midyeng tabinase.
Normally in the New Year, the Japanese people don't cook much. They just go to the supermarket to buy the food or prepare it 3 days before and keep it. So the Japanese people have the belief that like in the New Year, they should not cook in the kitchen and make a lot
of noise so that like the goat inside the house or something like that would be disturbed. So they want a very peaceful celebration. They usually buy it from the supermarket. Ana koigi ngasai supermarket ta mayam kamaina pochai lagi habado koi video matek ama yengminase. Ako'y leisembi na mathang food ako'y chanaba makhal ako'y kamay tawge habado explain. You don't understand?
Okay, I understand.
So please explain, like what type of food are we going to eat today?
The thing that I prepared today is not much. It's just the soba noodle and
red bean with the rice cake.
Yeah.
Dessert something kind of a dessert. So do you know like why they eat the soba in like yeah?
I don't know.
You don't know? So like the soba noodle is a bit long. I can show you. So to have a long life, maybe you could show them. So like it's very long here. So to have a long life, so they eat the soba noodle.
So that's all. What is this?
So this is the Osechi Ryori. This is the special bento which are prepared for the first day, that is the New Year of the year. So they all have a special meaning. So
can you explain for us?
I know some, I will try to explain some of it. So we have the kuromame, so that is the black bean. So this symbolizes the health. So to get good health, this is kohaku kamaboko.
Is it the fish cake?
Yeah, this is a fish cake.
Okay.
Kind of symbolizes purity.
Purity?
Yeah, like a purity, to get to get away from the negativity. Yes, so this is
So recently I see they sell a lot of fish cake in the supermarket.
Yes.
And Japanese people really like it.
Yeah.
That's why. How about this one? What is this?
Oh, is this the a small fish sardines? Yeah. So this is the tajukuri. Tajukuri. So it is like sardines. Yeah, boiled sardines, and it symbolizes kind of a good harvest.
Oh.
So previously in Japan, they used these sardines to put it in the like a field. So so they use it kind of a fertilizer.
Oh.
Yes.
So yeah.
So that's why they also eat this for the good harvest.
Isn't this one the egg?
Oh yeah, this is like a egg made with the like a shrimp paste.
Shrimp paste.
Yeah, together with the shrimp paste. So they call it datemaki.
Datemaki.
Yeah, datemaki.
Okay.
So this datemaki, symbolizes kind of a good learning or scholarship. So if they are mostly eaten by the student.
Okay.
So ako'y mayam na. So I will speak a little bit of Manipuri ne.
Okay.
So ako'y na sige ang sing na mark yam na pangnaba. So if they want to get good marks in the exam, and then sing parents sing na ako'y sige dati maki haba kenoje.
So, okay, it's mine.
Okay. You
have the good mark already.
Okay.
So I will eat that one.
Onegaishimasu.
Yeah, thank you. Why is have the black here?
Oh, so the black one is the kobu.
Kobu?
Seaweed. Yeah. You know the word yorokobu?
Yorokobu?
Yeah.
Like a happy?
Yeah, happiness. So
yeah.
So this seaweed is like symbolizes the happiness. So that's why people eat this one.
How about this? Isn't it the radish?
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 Oh, no. This is not radish. This is the chestnut.
Chestnut?
Yeah.
Oh.
So this is the kurikinton. So you see the color is yellow, right? So the yellow, which precious metal is yellow?
Gold.
Yes. So that's why, yeah, it symbolizes, kind of a wealth or finance. So that's why people eat the kurikinton.
Kurikinton.
Yes,
Okay.
kurikinton. Yeah.
We have to share it together.
Yeah, we have to share it. SMB, do you know about this like a red and the white? Like I think it's a carrot and the radish.
This one?
Yeah.
So this is the kohaku namatsu.
Kohaku namasu.
But I don't know the meaning.
It's kind of similar to the fish cake because it's red and the white.
Really?
Yeah, maybe maybe it's about like a prosperity or purity. Yeah.
Okay.
We also have this lotus root. So this one, you see a hole, right? When you cut it, you see a hole.
Yeah.
Inside.
Okay. It's have the hole.
Yes. So what it symbolizes is, so in the coming year, you don't have any obstacle, So no obstacle. So just pass through it.
Oh.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why they have the renkon.
Okay.
Yeah, in Japanese.
They have a lot of meaning of the food name.
Yeah, it's difficult to remember sometimes. Yes.
Yeah. This one we talk about a rao, but we didn't
Yes.
talk about the shrimp. So how about the shrimp?
Oh yeah, the shrimp, the middle one.
Yeah.
So
maybe
the
it
ebi.
have the
Yeah.
really meaning.
So yes, so in Japanese, so the shrimp or ebi is the old man of the sea. The old man of the sea.
Old man of the sea.
They are called as the old man of the sea. Hoi yam kuina like sahi yam kuina sang na hing na bagidama. So to have a very good and a long life, they eat the ebi. So we have two ebi, one for you, one for me.
Yeah.
So to have a good long life,
Yeah.
so we will eat this ebi. Yeah.
So it's the same meaning with the soba
Yes.
udon, eh?
So we love sushi. So that's why we also bought some sushi.
So let's eat.
Yes.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
So you can put the
Yes.
sauce inside, or you can.
I will eat the Japanese way.
Okay.
Yeah, just put it in the sauce and then eat it.
Was it good?
Oishi. Really good.
You have to finish it because.
Yeah, this is for the long life.
Yeah. So this is the first time I tried the Osechi Seto. Let's try the shrimp.
Okay. You like shrimp, ne?
Cheers for long life. So that's all. You stay in Japan like 10 years, right?
Right.
Did you celebrate New Year with the Japanese traditional?
Yes, one time.
One time?
Yeah. Like I went to my homestay family in Nagoya. So I stayed there when I was in my undergraduate. My homestay family in Nagoya, Gifu, they invited me and I stayed there for about 5 days.
5 days. So in Nagoya family, what did you eat?
Oh, so we eat also like a similar kind of things, the Osechi Ryori, and also we have other different things like karage, or yeah.
Nice.
Yes. We also have the sashimi, sushi. So
We also have sushi. Let's try it. So in the cold weather, is the fried food is the best.
Yeah. I will try the kobu.
Kobu.
Yeah, the seaweed.
For happiness year.
Yeah, for happiness.
So this is the first time I eat traditional food in the new year.
Yep.
This is the salmon sushi. We really like sushi.
Yep.
Really good.
Yeah. try this one. This chestnut will be really good.
Cheers.
I might.
I mind them. This is all the thing here. So sweet.
Yeah. Many of the things are sweet.
Eat the sushi. Eat this one.
Thank you.
I remember last year when we went to the Tokyo and we stayed for the New Year. We met Bobo over there.
So when we go out to meet him, there were not much shop open, right? We cannot find any izakaya, bar or some restaurant to eat. We walk and walk.
Walk for a long time to find the place to eat.
Yeah, usually, you know, like Japanese people, when I was also even coming back, just like about 1 hour ago, the streets are empty.
Empty?
Yes. So many of them are at home eating this food together.
Together and then
Spending time. Spending time and then, yeah, acting with them. Yeah. So which one is the most tasty one? Karambana khoide hawe.
Sushi.
Sushi? So you don't like the Osechi Ryori? Yeah, I think many Japanese people also don't like it, but because of the significance or like the importance.
The belief
Yeah, the
also.
belief.
The soba is also really good.
Yes. Amai.
So sweet.
Last, we save the Siruko. Yeah.
Let's try it.
Yeah, the back. This one.
This is also for the good luck.
Yes.
So a lot of Japanese people eat the red bean.
Yeah, so we also wish our viewer good luck.
Wish everyone have the good luck and good year.
Okay, so Hoi Huzik Ma'am Chaba Leshale. So we finish eating dinner. So after eating, we will like clean it up, and the time is also almost like a 10:30 now. We will prepare to go to the Jinja.
Yeah, we have a lot of people at 12, so we have to go a little bit early to not stuck over there. Thank you very much for supporting us all the time. And
Happy New Year.